So as you can see, there is no battery icon showing on the Windows screen right now. And to enable that, all you need to do is go to the Windows icon and right click on that icon. There you will see device manager. Just go on the device manager and you will see there's an option of batteries there. Just double click on that and you will see two other options. All you need to do is right click on those two options and enable them, enable the drivers, and that's it. You will get your battery icon option back.